Hi, hello. My name is Rajesh Gangula, and I am an AI-driven supply chain transformation leader with over 18 years of experience in Oracle ERP and enterprise supply chain modernization. Today, I am presenting my innovation, AI-enabled supplier on-time performance framework, designed to transform supplier performance into predictive, automated, and financially enforceable system. Supplier on-time performance is a critical API for any supply chain management system. But yet, in most of the organization, it is still managed through manual and reactive processes. There is a limited real-time visibility and performance tracking is often disconnected from financial enforcement and mechanisms. This results in operational inefficiencies, increased cost, and inconsistent supplier accountability. The key challenge is that organizations measures performance after the delay occur rather than preventing them. To address this, I developed an AI-enabled supplier on-time performance framework integrated with Oracle procurement and account payables. And this solution standardizes OTP measurement, automates purchase order evaluation, and directly links supplier performance to financial actions such as debit memo. It transforms OTP from passive reporting metric into an active control systems where the supplier on time performance can be measured and suppliers who has the bad performance uh, can be fined and debit memos created every month and sent to the supplier so that the for the late deliveries we can negotiate with the suppliers and collect the money and fines and all those. And this process flow mainly consists of six key stages. It starts with defining exclusions, followed by identifying eligible purchase orders. Then an OTP calculation engine evaluates delivery performance based on due dates, receipt dates, and lead time validation. And the process continues with review, automated vendor communication, and finally integrates with account payables for debit memo creation. And this establishes a closed loop system connecting operations, suppliers, and finance. And this is a high level AI enabled architecture overview. Supplier and transactional data flows into Oracle procurement and receiving systems. And this data is processed by an AI enabled OTP engine, which generates performance insights and scorecards. And these outputs are shared with vendors and also integrated uh, into Oracle account payables for debit memo creation. And this ensures both operational transparency and financial accountability. And this is the end-to-end OTP calculation and processing logic, including exclusion rules, performance metrics, and financial enforcement through account payables. The process begins by extracting all received purchase orders for the processing month, and this ensures that the calculation is based on actual transactional data from the procurement and the receiving systems and providing accuracy and auditability. And the system then applies a series of exclusion rules to filter out non-eligible transactions. These include vendor level exceptions, buyer level exceptions, and facility level exception. And this step is critical because it ensures that the OTP calculations are applied only to relevant and accountable transactions, account avoiding and this avoids false penalties. And for all the eligible purchase orders, the system applies a rule-based OTP calculations that is based on and it again differentiate based on the receiving location. If it is a nighttime receiving facility and non-nighttime receiving facility, the OTP calculation will differ. And for a non-nighttime facilities, a PO is considered as late if the receipt date exceeds the due date and the actual delivery exceeds the expected lead time. And the nighttime facilities, an additional condition is applied, that is, if the receipt time is beyond noon of the next day and it is classified as late. And these rules ensures that the system accounts for operational realities such as facility receiving schedules, making the calculation more accurate and context aware. Once the lateness is determined, the system calculates multiple performance KPIs, including the fill rate measures quantity fulfillment, and total fill rate, aggregated performance at AP level, and MO percentage and the LTMO percentage identifies the operational inefficiencies, and the service level customer fulfillment performance, and OTP, that is the ratio of late POs to the total POs. And these metrics provide a comprehensive view of supplier performance beyond just delivery timing. And the system then applies a performance-based financial penalties. That is, if the OTP is less than or equal to 90%, then those suppliers will be applied a higher penalty. And if the OTP is between 90% to 95%, then it comes under the lower penalty. And this introduces a tied accountability model directly linking supplier performance to financial impact. And results are reviewed and approved internally, and the automated scorecards or notifications are sent to vendors. This ensures transparency and that structured communication with suppliers. And vendors can provide feedback or dispute claims, and approved corrections are processed or reprocessed, ensuring fairness and audit compliance. Finally, the system integrates with Oracle account payables to automatically generate debit memo. And this is a key innovation. It transfers OTP from a reporting metric into a financially enforceable control mechanism. Overall, this process established a closed loop system combining operational performance, supplier accountability, and financial enforcement, enabling a more resilient and data driven supply chain. And this innovation lies in embedding AI across the entire process. The system uses predictive models to identify high risk purchase orders before delay occurs. It dynamically adjusts exclusion rules based on supplier performance trends, and NLP capabilities enable automated and personalized vendor communication. It also includes intelligent dispute resolution and real-time dashboards. This shifts the system from reactive reporting to a predictive and autonomous model. And these are the different technical deep drive automation AI innovation layer in the AI innovation layer. That is, as a AI layer integrates multiple data sources, including Oracle procurement, WMS, ASN feeds, EDI feeds, and external data such as logistics and weathers. And the machine learning models such as XGBoost and random forest analyze features like supplier performance, lead time variance, and delivery patterns to generate predictive risk scores. And a hybrid decision engine combines these predictions with ERP based rules to drive a dynamic decision making. And NLP models automate vendor communication and interpret disputes. And the system also supports a real time analytics, forecasting, and scenario simulation. And the continuous learning loop ensures the models improve over time, making the system self adaptive and intelligent. This is the AI layered architecture of the solution. We have data sources including the procurement system, WMS, and external inputs. And the processing layers handles the data ingestion, transformation, and features engineering. And the AI and ML layer applies predictive models and NLP capabilities. And the decision engine combines AI insights with business rules to determine actions. Finally, the execution layer integrates with Oracle ERP and account payables to drive operational and financial outcomes. And this layer designs ensure scalability and modularity. And this uh, this flow diagram illustrates the AI workflow. Data is first injected and transformed into into features for machine learning models, and the models generate predictions such as delay risk scores, and these predictions are processed through decision engine that combines AI and rule based logic, and the final actions are executed within the Oracle ERP, including alerts, scorecards, and debit memos. And a feedback loop ensures continuous model improvement. And this is a high level AI framework. This represents a high level the innovation in a structured format. The input layer captures the supplier and operational data streams. The processing layer integrates AI models with business rule, and the output layer generates performance insights, financial transactions, and analytics. And this structure approach demonstrates the novelty, scalability, and enterprise applicability of the solution. And this this frameworks delivers measurable impact across the multiple dimensions. It reduces manual effort by 30 to 40% and improves supplier compliance significantly. Financially, it enables automated recovery of suppliers' penalties through AP integration, and it enhances decision making through predictive insights and real-time analytics. Most importantly, it establishes a scalable model that can be adopted across industries, contributing to the advancement of intelligent supply chain ecosystems. That's all in this presentation. Thank you.